Hello, Algebra 1 CP students. I had geometry marked there, which was wrong. You're Algebra 1 CP. I'm looking at page 10. This is for Mr. Barry's class. And you guys are looking at 38 through 48, 53, and 54. And I want to just guide you through some of these. Taking a look at this page here, the first one that I'm going to do is 31. We have 14 to the third power. 14 to the third power, what does that mean? That means 14 times 14 times 14, or 2,744. If you're not sure, you know what buttons to use. If you have a different looking calculator, you're looking for this up button to get your exponent. So you would put in 14. Find the up button. It might be in a different place, but it looks like this. They call this a caret. So you use that, and then you press 3, and it equals, and it gives you the answer 2,744. I jumped down to number 35. 35 is written out like this. Notice I completed the exponent first, because remember we were thinking, we talked about this in class, PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. So these are done from left to right, whatever comes first, multiplication and division and addition and subtraction. But so I'm going to be doing the exponent first. So I did the exponent first, then I did the division first. I just keep bringing down this part that I haven't done yet, this 10 plus. And finally, in the last step, I can add 10 to the 32 and get 42. Taking a look at number 39 from your book, looks like this. And please pause this as needed as I kind of go through this quickly. If I have a quicker video, it's just easier to upload, but you pause it at your pace. So we work what's in the parentheses first, and in the parentheses, notice I have division first. So I do that division. 16 divided by 2 gives me 8. Then I do the the addition here, and then I do the multiplication. 4 times 14 gives me 56. Number 43, jump on up to that one. I'm doing every other odd one because you have the answers at your disposal for the even ones, and I figured that would be enough help. And I can't do all of the odd ones because that would be doing all of your homework. So I always promise to do at least half of your homework. So here we go. That's why I'm doing half of the odds. So taking a look at this one, I do the exponent first. 4, I hit the caret button, remember, once again, on my calculator. And then hit 3, and that gave me the 64. Then I do this 64 divided by 8, and that gave me 8. Plus, if you put this in your calculator the way it is, calculators will be working in PEMDAS. Also, order of operations. 47 was a big one that I jumped on. Notice I work at the parentheses inside the parentheses. So that comes first. So I took care of this 3 times 5. That became 15. So now I have minus 15. So 16 minus 15 gives me 1. I keep bringing down what I don't use. Sorry about that ugly 25. I keep bringing down what I don't use. I also did this 12 plus 3 up here so I could figure out what to take and divide by 5. So 15 divided by 5 was my next step, and I got 3 for that. Then I finished these brackets here. 3 plus 1 is 4. And 25 plus 4 is going to be 29. Remember to go inside the most inside grouping first on these, and then work your way out. And then lastly, before I get to number 53, if you take a look at number 48, once again, you're going to do the multiplication inside the parentheses. So you work the parentheses before you work the exponent, okay? So we're going to, multiply this and then add that 9, finish that parentheses off, and then you could do the 7 to the third power, whatever that is, minus 2/3 times this amount times 4. And you should get your answer. working on number 53. I wanted to jump into number 53, help you out there because you had to do 53 and 54. So I'll do 53, the odd one, because somewhere in your resources you have the answer to 54 if you're not sure if you're getting to the right answer. So 8 to the 4th power increased by 6. So what is that going to look like? 8 to the 4th power increased by 6. That's all you're going to do. All right, hopefully this is helpful. If you need specific help on any other ones, please let me know.